Hey, welcome back. In this video, we will discuss about the generator expressions in Python. Okay, so what exactly is a generator expression? So we have seen how to create our own generator functions, okay, by using the yield keyword, right? So by using the generator expressions, we can create a generator in only one single line, just like the list comprehensions, okay? And the syntax is quite similar as well. So similar to the list comprehensions, you can create generators using the generator expressions with parentheses instead of square brackets, okay? So let's see that in action. So let's create a generator function, square, okay, square numbers. This will be a very simple function, okay? So what it will do, for num in range of something like 5, okay, I will yield num times num. Simple enough, right? Now, as you can see, this is our square numbers. So now if I just want to print the square numbers, basically what I can do something like this. Square, let's do square just, okay, square numbers or square numbers generator. All right. And now for num in square number generator, I can print the num. Okay. All right. Now run the program. We are getting 0, 1, 4, 9, 16. All right. Simple enough, right? So this is our simple generator function. Okay. But what if we can condense this particular function to one single line? So how we can do that? We can do that quite easily. First of all, the square numbers generator. So what I'll do, I'll just copy it right now. And here I will comment out everything. Okay. So now let's create a generator by using the generator expression. First of all, have to open up the parenthesis. All right. And now we have to write our for loop. So for, all right, if I can type num in range of 5, let's say. All right. And here what we want to do, we want to yield the square. So here what we can do num times num. Okay. So as you can see, this is a generator expression. All right. And here it is returning a generator. So if I now save that and run the program, as you can see, we are getting the same result, 0, 1, 4, 9, 16. Okay. All right. So this is how we can write a generator expression. Okay. So what exactly a generator expression? The generator expression is a way to write generators in one single line. So here, as you can see, I will uncomment this one. Okay. So this particular function and this particular line basically is equivalent. Okay. All right. So it is returning us the generator, and I can show it to you as well. So if I just do print square number generator and run the program, we are getting generator object. And as you can see, it is telling us it is the generator expression. Okay. All right. So this is the generator expression in action. So by using the generator expression, we can create generators in only one single line. And as you can see, the syntax is quite similar to the list comprehension. Instead of using the square brackets, we are using parentheses here, right? Awesome. So this is the generator expressions. Now in this video, I will show two more functions or methods in generators. Okay. So we have seen about the generator expression here. So I will comment out this one and this one as well. So here in this video, we will discuss about two generator methods. One of them is the send method in generators and another one is the close method. Okay. So first see the send method in generators. So the send method allows you to send a value to the generator. Okay. So what exactly is that? Let's see that in action. So I will create a generator. So echo generator. All right. And here, this is a simple function while true. So I will create a variable received equals to yield. And here I can print received will be received. Okay. This is a simple generator. Okay. Now what I'll do, I will do generator equals to echo generator. Okay. And here we will do next the generator. All right. And here we can do generator dot send hello, and once again generator dot send world. Okay. So this is the send method in generators. So if I just run the program right now, as you can see, it is receiving hello and then it is receiving world. So in that way, by using the send function or the send method, we can send some value to the generator itself. So this is the send method. Okay. Now let's see the close method in generators. So I will just comment out this one and let's create a simple generator. My generator. Okay. And here we will do try and we will yield 1, yield 2, yield 3, and here I will add the finally. In case if you do not know about the try except else finally, I have a dedicated video inside of the Python playlist. Okay, please check that out. So print and do something like generator closed. All right. So this is our simple generator. Okay. Now, as you can see, generator equals to my generator. All right. And here we can just print this one. So next generator, not this one. All right. And then we can do something like generator dot close. Okay. All right. So by using the close method, we can stop the generator itself. So if I just run the program, technically what should happen? We should get 1, 2, and 3, right? But if I just run the program right now, we are just getting 1 and then generator closed. Okay. In case if I just do something like this and run the program, we are getting 1, 2 and then generator closed. So in that way, we can interrupt the generator and stop the generator. Okay. The close method stops the generator. All right. So this is the close method in generator. So in this video, we have learned about the generator expressions in Python, and we have learned about two generator methods. One of them is the send method, by which we can send data to the generator, and one of them is the close method. By using the close method, we can stop the generator. Okay, awesome.